What up, prepper people? I just got an email from teespring.com where we do our t-shirts, and they said, hey, we want to sponsor you for a 10% off t-shirt sale. And I was like, that's cool. But it's only running this Thursday the 25th through this Saturday the 27th. And if you use the code TSPRING, the letter T, Tango, Spring, like the season, Tango, Spring, 10, 1, 0, the letter T, the word Spring, 1, 0, at checkout, you get 10% off. So if you want like a Bear Independent Crisis Response shirt, or The Boss is Tall, or Harder to Kill, that's a great t-shirt, or Bears Rules for Life, or the original Rifle Bear t-shirt, they're all there. Just go to Bear Independent, BEAR Independent.com, click the shop tab, and that'll take you to our Teespring store. So yeah, BEAR Independent, BearIndependent.com, click the shop tab, and the discount code is the letter T, the word Spring, 10. Tango Spring 10. Okay? 10% off in between Thursday the 25th and Saturday the 27th. If you've just been feeling like I should buy a shirt, if you want to, these support the Florida mission, these crisis response t-shirts, and The Boss is Tall, you get that bear logo, beautiful bear logo action on the front. We got black shirts, we got white shirts, gray shirts, green shirts, we got ladies tank tops, we got the pinks, we got the purples, we got the tremendous yellows. Believe me, they are fabulous. You should check it out. And Mexico will pay for 10% of it. The letter T, the word Spring, 10. Shalom.